Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Theta. In my earlier videos, I've been showing you this breakdown from this down channel that was happening here on the daily time frame chart. And after that, we had a big drop. And on the 7 days time frame chart, I was showing you that stochastic was extremely oversold. Therefore, I was telling you that there is a probability that the price line may start a recovery rally. And I was expecting, by the way, that the price line may test this long-term support of 56 cents. That was also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous long-term down channel as well. But the price line, in fact, went very close to this support, could not hit this support, and now recovered back. And now it is trying to break out this long-term resistance of 90 cents. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for a while, the price line broke it out, but again, it has broken it down. And on the 7 days time frame chart, it is still trying to break it down. It depends where this weekly candlestick will be closed. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe button for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Steam, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 12th of April. And here you can also want the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying line and rallied to the sell target line. This was a very nice rally, by the way. Now let's move to the live chart of Theta. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that previously we broke out this down channel, then we had a nice pump, and after that the price line was stuck inside in another down channel that was smaller than the previous one. And after the breakdown from this channel, the price line had a big drop. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, stochastic was entered the oversold zone, and in fact it was historically oversold. Therefore, I was telling you that now there is a probability that we may see a correction move from here. And so far, if I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it was almost 80% correction move. And now the price line on the 7 days time frame chart in the previous candlestick broke out the resistance of 90 cents. And now it is again trying to break it down. By the way, it depends where the current weekly candlestick will be closed. If it will be closed above this resistance, then there will be a probability that soon we may see that the price and may try to break out the next long-term resistance of $1.30. By the way, the long-term key resistance on is this one that we need to break out in order to start a very, very massive move. And that resistance on start from $2.20 and goes to $2.55. Before that, we will need to break out this resistance of $1.30, and then we will need to break out the next resistance of $1.71.5. By the way, this $1.71.5 was recently breaking as a resistance here and support here, and before that, it was also breaking as a resistance here in the month of August 2022. And if we take a look at this resistance on, then you can see that previously it had been breaking as a resistance on here. For a few weeks, it had been breaking as support on here and support on here as well. And therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price and of Theta. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this huge down channel, you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this big down channel. That target is here at the top of the channel. That is somewhere between $16 to $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.